Hello all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you can reset the surface indicator, the wrench indicator popping up over here, this indicator over here, of an Opel Movano 2019. This is slightly different than the older model. And in this short video I'm going to show you I can reset it and get rid of that indicator. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start by turning the ignition on to the second position. Then we're gonna go through the menu by pressing the top button on the right thumbstick and find the distance till next, it's in Dutch, till next surface. Press and hold this top button over here till the indicator over here flashes. You'll see. Release it, press it again, keep it pressed, and you'll see that the next surface is now due to 40,000 kilometers. Some cars have two different surface indicators. You can go through them by pressing the top button over here, but this has only one and I reset it just now. So if we turn the ignition on, the indicator, that indicator won't show up anymore. So ignition off, ignition on, go through the menu by pressing it and find distance till next surface. Menu, found that, press and hold it till it changes, release, press and hold it again, the right thumbstick button till it starts blinking, and release it when it stops blinking, and you'll see that the indicator won't show up anymore and the surface is reset. I want to thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.